Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying ownership. Gather the original receipt, card info, or gift receipt so staff can match the sale. Once done, keep the garment intact and avoid any tampering that could damage it. That complicates return options. Next, head to the store's customer service or security desk. Do not leave the premises with the tag still attached. If the store is closed, make a note of their hours and prepare to return during open hours. At the counter, clearly explain the situation and show your proof of purchase. Staff may ask to verify the card or ID. Make sure you follow their directions. Employees are trained to remove security devices safely without harming clothing. If staff need to send the item elsewhere, request a written note or work order so you have confirmation. If they refuse, ask to speak with a manager. Persist calmly until the store documents the issue and agrees on a solution. If the store won't resolve the stuck tag, contact corporate customer service or use the retailer's online support. Provide order numbers, photos, and timestamps. Once done, document every interaction, names, dates, and what was said. This helps escalate the case. If you face accusations or legal threats despite proof, consult local consumer protection agencies or, as a last resort, contact police with your documentation to clear your name. Make sure to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.